Thank you for the time. Good morning. May all of us always be in good health. Let me introduce myself. I'm Nasrin, and also attending with me is the second author, Sri Agustini, from Palembang Institute for Industrial Research and Standardization, Ministry of Industry, Indonesia. I'd like to present my paper entitled The Effect of Natural Rubber Composite Using Monomer Ethylene Propylene of Mechanical Properties of Tube Collar. Tube collar is a form of liquid can type fashion sticks. Its function is to adjust the height of the stick when used. The plastic tube collar, when attached to the stick, must be immersed in hot water to prevent physical damage. Plastic tube collars are prone to physical damage, such as easy to crack and easy to break. Excellent tube collar made of rubber. Rubber tube collar are elastic, not easy to crack or break, easy to attach to the stick. Fast initial time. Natural rubber with the general formula of isoprene. And why the chemical structure of this 1.4 polyisoprene, which is not easy to tear, so widely used for various applications. The development of natural rubber in tube collar in this study was scaled of quite the additional of synthetic rubber, elastic for polypropylene, then FDM. The development of natural rubber and EVDM into collar using zinc oxide activator and stick acid as co-activator. Fillers are used in this manufacture of tube collar with the aim of strengthening mechanical properties and reducing production costs. The study used a multi-filler consisting of carbon black, kaolin, and calcium carbonate. Carbon black to improve the mechanical properties of the tube collar, kaolin, and calcium carbonate as filler to reduce production costs. This research studied natural rubber composite with EPDM at various regions, determined the mechanical properties of tube collar. Organisms tested include cure characteristic composite with NR, composite natural rubber which EPDM, ozone resistance, specificity, gravity, hardness after aging and before aging, tensile strength after aging and before aging, composition set. This table 2, the ratio of tube collar vulcanizing material. This material, this formula TC1, TC02, TC03, and TC04. This process of making tube collar, this material, natural rubber, EVDM, chemical mastication, rubber compound, and process compound maceration and tube collar. Result in discussion. Table 2, Q characteristic of composite EPDM compound. From the data in table 2, it can be seen that the highest delta Q value, delta S 9.70 kilogram centimeter, is obtained from the TC02 formula. The delta Q value delta S describe the number of cross-linking formed during vulcanization, changing from the compound maturation time of the cure time T90 in the study. For the TC04 formula, the cure time T90 is the shortest 3.4 3.44 minutes. That the other formula, wait for the scratch time TS2 the fastest 0.02 minute of the TC02 formula. Physical properties also resistant. Polymer material are generally susceptible to oxide degradation, especially direct contact with fire air. The ratio of oxidant in polymer is influenced by the type of material, the weight where it's made, and its film. Compression sheet EVDM is well as antioxidant EVPD and TMQ. Test on the ozone resistant for polar with NR and EVDM compression sheet using IVPD and TMQ antioxidant. Result repeat the were no far that had crack for all treatment. Pick one. Effect of NR-FEDM ratio on specific gravity. The result of specific gravity test of the four formula. Pick one for the specific gravity value of the TC02 formula is higher than the other formula. This illustrates that the density level of the forming material table 2 in the TC02 formula is denser per unit cubic centimeter than the other formula. Big 2 effect of the FEDM ratio on the hardness. Hardness describe the level of material hardness per unit cubic centimeter. Hardness test data from 4 samples of chocolate vulcanized before aging and after aging. For TC02, the value is higher 95 than the other formula. Theoretically, the hardness value directly proportional to the specific gravity. Where the specific gravity value increase, the hardness value will also increase. Fix 3. And 4, the result of testing the mechanical properties of tube collar. Tensile strength describe the strong bond between the molecules that form the vulcanized when they are full in opposite directions. The difference in tensile strength value before aging and after aging is influenced by the polysulfide and monosulfide cross-link formed during vulcanization. The result of the tensile strength test of the 4 samples in this study showed that the TC03 value was higher than the other formula fix 3. The tensile strength for the TC02 before aging and after aging formula was the same 10.02 megapascal, while for TC02, TC03 and TC04 after aging, the value was higher than the before aging. Pick 4, effect of natural rubber and FEDM ratio on the compression sheet. The compression sheet test is carried out to see the flexibility of the tube collar when receiving a load to hold or relation to its original test. Tube collar with rubber composite material, natural rubber, and FEDM have different properties with tube collar from plastic material that are available today. The compression sheet test result of the rubber vulcanization. For the tube collar of 4 samples show the highest value 69.26%. At TC02 Fig 4, I can be seen that the difference in the ratio of material, lateral rubber, and EVDM determine the compression sheet value. And other mechanical properties, fix 1, fix 2, and fix 3, as well as cure characteristic the compound. Conclusion: making chocolate is then through a process of mastication, compounding, and vulcanization. In the vulcanization process, a three-dimensional network structure is formed to strengthen the mechanical properties of the resulting chocolate. This is zero to test result for curing characteristic with a rheometer at the temperature of 150 degrees Celsius, that's maximum 9.70 kilograms centimeter. Your time T 94.59 minutes and scorch time TS2 0.02 minutes. The result of the ozone resistant, the test for the ozone resistant formula showed no crack. The hardness value of 95 short was close to the chocolate made of plastic, namely 100 short hardness is a key parameter for varying load in use. Thank you for attention.